Two unnamed men spent $40,000 on their credit cards in a sleazy Orlando strip club where tips are normally $1. The next day, the girls were told the money had vanished. Police would later swear that they saw what happened on video and that they were unable to access the video and never saw it. The strip club manager later jumped to his death in a reported suicide. The original video clips from the manager's apartment vanished, and the cop who made them admitted to lying about the times. The CSI collected 3 blood-stained gloves that matched a torn finger on the floor of the apartment and took swabs of the blood. Those gloves vanished from the evidence log, and the CSI instead swore she got the DNA swabs from an ex-con named Scott Love. A judge later ruled that a man who saw all of this merely believed it happened, but had no facts to show and imagined it all. The man documented all this on a website, SeminoleScam.com, and sent emails about it to his representatives in Washington. That man was later pulled over on a remote country road and told there was no traffic violation, but that he was being warned not to send emails to Washington.
Okay. You're not detained. You're free to leave anytime you want.
Okay, that's what I'm going to
I want to tell you something, though. There's some emails you send out.
You know,
up in Washington, okay? And they're getting concerned. So they just wanted us to go talk to you and tell you need to stop that because you're going to get more attention.
A judge later ruled that there was no evidence to show the man was stopped by police for political speech. The man posted copstoprison.org flyers at a law school and was immediately arrested without a witness or victim using perjury and ordered to stay off social media for 5 months without ever being charged with a crime or provided evidence. The man's 2 cell phones and laptop where he documented the lying and evidence tampering were collected off the ground on his property by Okeechobee deputies. The Florida Attorney General later told a court this was not even deputies and it never happened. The man complained about perjury in both cases to the Florida Inspector General. The next morning, the man was located at a remote gas station and threatened by 6 cops to not report crimes to the inspector general. The Florida Attorney General later claimed there is no law that says Florida Governor DeSantis can't detain people under false pretense to threaten them to not report crimes. A federal judge later ruled this was simply a welfare check, which is perfectly legal and had nothing to do with threatening anyone for reporting crimes or political speech.